I'd like to share a heartwarming experience when I visited my aunt, Maria, in her home in the picturesque countryside. I am so happy to be able to share this experience with you here today. My aunt lived in a charming cottage nestled on the outskirts of a small town. Her home was surrounded by lush green fields and had an air of tranquility that felt like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The visit was prompted by a desire to reconnect with family and escape the monotony of daily life. It had been quite some time since our last meeting. The weekend at my aunt's home turned out to be a delightful blend of relaxation and joyful activities. We spent our days exploring the nearby nature trails in the evenings and sharing stories over home-cooked meals. The simplicity of our days allowed for meaningful conversations and bonding that often get lost in the rush of modern life. One highlight was an impromptu family barbecue in her backyard. We gathered around a crackling fire, sharing laughter and stories, and savoring delicious grilled treats. The evening was adorned with starlight, adding a touch of magic to our familial bonds. There was a beauty in the simplicity of our interactions, devoid of the distractions of the digital world. It reminded me of the importance of family ties and the joy that resides in the shared moments of togetherness. Moreover, experiencing the slower pace of life in the countryside, away from the urban chaos, was rejuvenating. It allowed me to appreciate the beauty of nature, the warmth of familial relationships, and the joy that lies in the uncomplicated moments of life.